As you can tell from the previous video, I've had this hairstyle for a couple of days now, and I'm the kind of girl that doesn't really have like a hair routine. Like I don't have like a particular way to take care of my hair. After I do it once weekly or maybe bi-weekly, it's mostly once weekly, I just let it be. But because I have to go out today, I have to clean it up, and I'm about to show you how. So let's rewind and start from the beginning. What's up munchkins, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a continuation of last week's video on Wednesday, which was about what to do with aloe vera, and as you can tell from the intro, it's about hair. So I've already finished doing my hair. I'm not the best at doing hair, but this is how I use aloe vera. Aloe vera has like 94% water, so it's very good for hydration. It's really good for hair. I personally use aloe vera for my hair both as a conditioner and as a hydrant because it helps take out the dandruff and stuff like that. So I add it to my conditioner, which I'm about to show you. And I also use it to hydrate my hair because it's 94% of water, and just for that it's really good for the hair. My hair dries out so much, of course, because I don't cover it at night when I go to bed. When it dries, of course, you need something to like hydrate it to look good. Personally, I don't like a lot of product in my hair, and because of that I just make my own little concoctions, which include what I'm about to show you. So yeah, the beginning.
Last week after my haircut, I decided to do a conditioner which had olive oil and aloe vera, which I just mixed in a container and just added to my hair. There is no particular formula for this. I just wet my hair a little bit and then put it in, and yeah, then just have it for a while I go on about my day. I used the plastic bag, but if you have a shower cap you can, and then just added a bandana to it to increase the heat. And of course I was going to the gym and I couldn't go with a plastic bag. I do run some errands, like do some work, so I'm just going to bring you along with me while I have some snacks from the other weeks, a meal prep, go on about my workout with my bandana covered. Of course I had to bring this in. I know it's a hair video, but don't forget to stay hydrated. It's good for your hair and it's good for muscle creation if you're on your weight loss journey, guys. 4 days later, my hair definitely needs some love. It's super dry. I had some coconut oil in here, but it doesn't dissolve well with water, so I just added some olive oil, filled it with water and some aloe vera, shook it, and I just added it to a spritzer bottle and put it in my hair to activate the curls. Then of course I just combed out the sides to make it look a little neat, combed out the roots, although I didn't show you that, and voila, it's done.
Alright guys, I hope you found episode 2 of the aloe vera videos helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. So the next video is the most exciting because it's a skin related thing, and hint hint, it's about brightening dark areas. I cannot wait to shoot that for you guys because I've been experimenting with it, which will come right after the meal prep video this Sunday, so it will come next week on Wednesday. I'm super pumped to share that with you, and if you want to watch that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video, because I upload 2 new videos every week, meal prep Sunday and a few tips in my lifestyle that I do, like this video. And if you want to watch more health related, weight loss, healthy recipes and stuff like that, just subscribe to my channel because I have all the good stuff coming for you. As always, if you're on your weight loss journey, guys, stay motivated, be patient and trust the process, guys. And finally, don't forget to spread the love, guys. See you next time. Bye.